Whoa. Hello. Morning.
Who's ready for rafting and laser tag? All right, if we could all have our seats, we can get on our way. All right, just to give you expectation, the Adams River is a friendly river. It's not super extreme. You're not gonna fall out unless you're really reckless. But there are some exciting sections, like especially the canyon section. The water is typically warmer than most Canadian rivers, although we are early in the season, so it's still going to be on the cold side. It's a really famous river for sockeye salmon. Every 4 years, there's a big salmon run where these fish swim all the way from the ocean up the river, and you'll see them laying their eggs in this river. So that takes about an hour to get there.
You change the color?
Yeah. No, don't stay here. We'll go from. We'll go from. Yeah,
Go, go, go!
Oh.
Go.
Whoa. Yeah, I killed 2 guys.
I killed 1.
Yeah.
I killed 1. Okay, we can go from here.
I killed 2 also. Nice. You know they're coming from this side. Let's go this side.
Map. This is not working.
Red team won.
We can go there and again.
Woo! Okay, go set up.
That's it.
Nice.
Yes.
Cheers.
On those 2 tables, there'll be some papers. water is nice.
You go first. All this.
Okay, let's go strong forward. Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! Forward.
Forward, forward, forward.
Forward. Forward. Forward. Left back. Back, back. Yeah, move.
That's a nice thing to say before.
Forward. Forward.
Nice. Yeah.
Forward.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. No.
Oh my.
Forward.
Hold down, hold down, hold down. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Forward. Stop.
Pedal. Forward. Whose pedal is it?
Mine.
Okay, everyone, leave it. Let's back pedal. Backwards.
Ah.
She just went like that. She saw the wave. She just. Paddle in the air.
No.
I heard, save your soul. Save yourself.
I was like,
Everybody, save yourself.
Your dark skin, come on out.
shit.
Thank you.
Oh.
For those who don't know, my name's Kaylin, and I'm going to talk a bit about pictograms. So, the First Nations people, there's a few groups in the area. They've been around for thousands of years, okay? Way before the Europeans were here, they would make pictograms. So, little drawings. There's a smudged one over there. There's one that was carved, someone chiseled out of the wall. And then there's one over here that looks like a deer. What they would use to do this is they would benefit from the salmon run. So as you probably heard, a ton of salmon would come up river here to go spawn in Adams Lake. What they would do is they would grab their nets, grab the salmon, fillet the salmon, cook the salmon, dry it, and then either eat it or trade it.
Jump out. Wait,
Don't
take me out.
Nice.
Come back. You got it. They slammed you in here because you threw your paddle away.
This is a big one. Holy! My left eye.
Forward paddle.
Forward.
Forward paddle. You gotta go kick. Gotta go kick.
Oh fuck.
Thank you. It was fun. It was so cold, man.
Whoa. It's cold. It's cold.
All right, everyone out of the boat, please, and thank you.
Thank you too.
Nice and careful.
For us to sneak along the left, on that side there.
You're facing forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and up. You want to do that?
Up to Dakota.
Just don't hold that in the rope. The nose is coming up. Just the nose.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's wave it, Bob.